Welcome to how to make a paper woven bookmark for our grab and go kit. In this grab and go kit you will find some double-sided scrapbook paper, cardstock, a cutting template that looks like this, and a couple paper clips. You also will need a pair of scissors and a glue stick from home. So the first step is to choose your double-sided scrapbook paper and to fold it in half lengthwise. When you have a good crease, go ahead and take your template and put it right on top. All of these little lines are going to be where you take your scissors and cut. Make sure you don't cut all the way through the edges, just cut as far as the lines. You can hold it with your hand or you can use the paper clips to ensure it doesn't slide around on you. And you may have to move the paper clips as you cut. So then you can remove your paper clips and unfold your paper. And you're going to want to start at the top and fold down every other piece and then tuck it underneath. So you fold down your longer folds and then tuck it behind the one in front to make this beautiful pattern. Oh, looks like I missed a cut. After you're finished, go ahead and take your glue stick and apply it to the back of your pattern. Center it on your cardstock. And here you have a beautiful paper woven bookmark.